Alright guys, we got you a 2005 BMW 325i. Got a really nice plastic dip, really nice wheels. He's a good friend of mine. Came all the way from Kentucky. So he had it cut right there. He's like, I wanted to see what it sounds like. I said, okay. Then he brought it to us. He's like, I can't take the noise too much anymore. I want it a little bit quieter. So this is what we did. We ran it into a Y pipe, single, there, and then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, and to a dual tip right there. They look really nice on these BMWs. You guys can see it's a really nice. He did it himself. I can give him props for it, man. It looks really good. That was his first time plastic dipping, and it still looks really good, as you guys can see. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Yeah, see, it's not raspy. If you would have done 3 inches wider, that's perfect. Again. Now the noise is in the back, not under your seat, you know? Again. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 106. Go ahead and back it up. Yes. There's no rest. That's perfect. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Perfect. 52. It's clean. Two and a half straight pipe all the way back.